Hello, I am upstairs in this amazing space above the Hive, and what's going on here today is upscaling furniture and sort of lessons with it. We have a guy in a corner that's working on a table and sanding it, and there's several bits of material for people to come in and work with it. These girls are doing up chairs and learning different skills, all very, very creative. It's amazing. Would you mind just having a little chat?
That's very close, Tom. Hi.
Just say who you are.
I'm Catherine.
And what you're doing?
We're doing Repair Cafe. So this is Fyled Repair Cafe. And today we're doing furniture fix and repurpose. So we've been doing sewing sessions as well, and these are free drop-in sessions. So we're inside the community trying to engage people to come in and learning new skills. So the volunteers that are here have a skill, and then the attendee comes and they share that skill, and hopefully then it gets passed on outside of the sessions and they come back. It's kind of a flowing situation.
I don't want to get you into a long interview because I didn't. I've surprised.
I could talk forever, Tom.
I've surprised her. Where's your next event? And
we've got one next Saturday at the Grange, which is the community centre at Grange Park.
Yes.
And that's Dinmore Avenue. And we're doing a sewing session, 10 till 1.
Oh, that's fantastic. Right, I'll just show you the lights in the corner, and then yes. So this is an amazing artist who's I won't disturb him. He's doing the light. I've got a YouTube channel. I'm just recording a quick video about what's going on here. So this is the artist. Would you mind speaking on it? Explaining?
No, I don't want to explain now.
So your name is?
Scott Mosley.
Scott Mosley, and this is your work?
Yeah, it's all recyclable wood, all wood from out of skips.
Wow.
And then LED lights put in, and they all do. That was a battery powered one. Some of them are. What's the one on there?
It's amazing. Very creative.
Them ones, and then some of these have got these are run off these type of connections.
Fantastic, fantastic.
But it's all recyclable wood. None of it's. Don't buy any plastic. It's all comes out of the skip.
Right, that's amazing.
Go around the skips.
Wow, wow. Thank you for talking to me. So, hope you enjoy what you've seen and can come and get along and enjoy. Thank you.